Potential to turn $250 into $2 million with these altcoin market leaders. Imagine investing a mere $250 and watching it grow into $2 million. In the fast-paced world of altcoins, such transformations are not just fantasies, but achievable goals. This article uncovers the leading altcoins in the market that could turn small investments into life-changing sums. Explore the possibilities these digital assets offer for exponential financial growth and how they are reshaping the investment landscape. CYBRO, the multi-chain gateway to unparalleled crypto rewards. Welcome to CYBRO, where investing isn't just about earning, it's about winning big. Built as a multi-chain powerhouse, CYBRO elevates yield farming across multiple blockchains, putting GIGA Profits well within reach. Whether someone is stacking ETH, exploring DeFi Vaults, or simply HODLing, CYBRO is the asset for those aiming for serious crypto success. CYBRO's presale momentum shows no signs of slowing down as it approaches the $4 million milestone. Priced at just 4 cents, this is a chance to join the community before tokens hit the market at 6 cents. Over 11,000 investors have already taken their seats on this rocket ride, stacking rewards and grabbing the future by the horns. Why choose CYBRO? Because it's built to win. Here's why the community can't stop rallying around CYBRO. Yield farming. Easy access to a wide range of yield strategies to boost APY and earn points. Multi-chain access. Flexibility across multiple blockchains, opening up diverse yield opportunities for every type of investor. Hassle-free deposits and withdrawals. Seamless in and out, keeping users in control every step of the way. AI-enhanced investing. Smart portfolios tailored to users' preferences, designed to optimize performance and maximize returns. Why wait? Early investors are already reaping benefits from the growing CYBRO ecosystem, enjoying weekly ETH rewards and exclusive airdrop opportunities. Now is the time to invest and secure the gains. Ethereum, leading the way in decentralized innovation. Ethereum, a proof-of-stake blockchain, is renowned for its smart contracts and vast ecosystem of decentralized applications (dApps). It powers decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms and Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum and Polygon, which enhance transaction efficiency. Ethereum introduced ERC-20 tokens, widely used for governance, utility, and value storage, while transactions require ETH for gas fees. Since its creation by Vitalik Buterin in 2013 and launch in 2015, Ethereum has evolved significantly, culminating in its transition to proof-of-stake with the merge in 2022. Ether is central to this ecosystem, facilitating transactions, rewarding stackers, and serving as a valuable asset and collateral. Chainlink, connecting smart contracts to real-world data. Chainlink is a decentralized network that bridges blockchains and external data sources, enhancing the utility of smart contracts. Through its Oracle system, Chainlink retrieves, verifies, and delivers real-world data to blockchain applications. Combining on-chain and off-chain components, it ensures efficient and secure data processing. The Link token powers the ecosystem, rewarding data providers and supporting staking for network security. By linking blockchain applications with external systems, Chainlink expands the potential of smart contracts across industries like finance, insurance, and supply chain. Caspa, innovating proof-of-work with speed and scalability. Caspa redefines proof-of-work with its unique block DAG structure, which allows multiple blocks to coexist rather than compete. This design supports extremely high block rates, up to 1 block per second, and ultra-fast transaction confirmations limited only by internet speed. CYBRO integrates innovative features like simplified payment verification proofs, data pruning for reduced storage needs, and support for subnetworks to enhance Layer 2 compatibility. Its efficient and scalable architecture positions CYBRO as a standout in the proof-of-work ecosystem. Aave, pioneering decentralized lending and borrowing. Aave is a decentralized finance (DeFi) protocol on Ethereum that enables users to lend, borrow, and earn interest on cryptocurrencies without intermediaries. Managed by smart contracts, the platform supports 17 assets and features unique offerings like flash loans, which are instant, uncollateralized loans repayable within the same transaction. Aave tokens provide benefits such as fee discounts, governance participation, and risk mitigation through staking in the safety module. Aave's capped supply and revenue-based token burn mechanisms enhance its value, solidifying its role as a leading DeFi platform. Uniswap, changing DeFi governance with Uni. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, DX, on Ethereum that enables cryptocurrency trading without order books or intermediaries. Launched in September 2020, the Uni token empowers users with governance rights, allowing them to vote on platform changes, including fee structures and token distributions. Notable for its early Uni distribution to past users, Uniswap cemented its place as a leading DeFi platform with over $3 billion in assets. With an open-source model and free token listings, Uniswap continues to dominate the decentralized trading landscape, with Uni at the heart of its community-driven governance. Conclusion. While established coins like Ethereum, Chainlink, CYBRO, and Aave continue to demonstrate stability, their short-term growth potential may be limited. In contrast, CYBRO, a technologically advanced DeFi platform, presents investors with exceptional opportunities to maximize earnings. Its AI-powered yield aggregation on the Blast blockchain, coupled with features such as lucrative staking rewards, exclusive airdrops, and cashback on purchases, ensures a superior user experience with seamless deposits and withdrawals. With a strong focus on transparency, compliance, and quality, CYBRO has attracted significant interest from crypto whales and influencers. As the bull run of 2024 unfolds, CYBRO stands out as a promising project poised for substantial growth.